articles a and the. Look at these pictures. This is a flower. The flower is red. This is an orange. We have used a, an and the to point out the nouns flower and orange. These words, that is a, an and the, used to point out nouns are called articles. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant, such as a cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. We use an before a word that begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an otter, an umbrella. Articles a and an are used to introduce a singular noun. Look at the following sentences to learn the use of articles a, an and the. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. We observe that articles a and an are used to talk about a thing in general. For example, a stall and an umbrella. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time, that is, about a particular thing. In this case, it is the stall. Article the is also used to introduce plural nouns. For example, the bicycles, the erasers, the ostriches, the dolls.